Hey guys, welcome to another product unboxing video. Today I'm going to show you this faucet. It comes very well protected. Comes here with the manual instructions, two adapters, as you can see. Comes with the main faucet. Gonna show you. Very pretty, in black color, and the two faucet handles. One for the hot water and the cold water. Very well protected everything, so let's install this. Okay guys, so this is already installed. It's a very beautiful design. It's color black. This is the hot water, this is the cold one, and as you can see the water, it's falling like a waterfall. It's very pretty. And you also have a button where you can close the sink, or you can push it again and you will open it. I really like the design. It's a very functional sink faucet, so I really recommend it. See you guys.